Although Binance is quite safe to store your coins, it's always preferable to remove your coins from the Binance exchange site and put them on a hardware ledger. So the one that I use is Ledger Nano X, because this is not hosted on any website. It's basically a key that holds your information. So like that, nobody can hack you, right? So the one that I use is Nano X, but I also use Trezor. Now Trezor is a little bit more expensive. So if you want something reliable and that doesn't cost too much, I suggest you go with the Nano X Ledger. If you have the budget to buy Trezor, then buy the Trezor one. But what's important here is that you store your coins on a hardware ledger or hardware wallet, call it what you want. Like that, you're sure that nobody's going to be able to steal your coins from you. And I'm going to make you an example. Let's say you buy, I don't know, Ethereum for $2,000 or $4,000 whenever you buy it. And from that point, it skyrockets to $40,000. So your one coin would be worth $40,000. Now, it would be really a shame that you get that coin stolen for XYZ reason, right? So to play it safe, you always want to store your most valuable coins on a hardware ledger. Like that, nobody can steal them from you. Obviously, this is not something that's necessary. You could always leave your coins in Binance, but there's always a risk that Binance gets hacked one day, and it would be really a shame that you lose your coin over this. And especially, if ever there were to be a hack, it's going to be when coins are going to be at their highest, right? So to play it safe, I really recommend that you use a hardware ledger like Nano X or like Trezor. Please move on to the next part of the training.